just outside of Greenwater, and I'm going to be on a trip down to Idaho here pretty soon. Actually, I'm probably going to leave tonight, but just wanted to camp out here next to Mount Rainier. Not for one last time, but just to start the trip up. So I think my next couple of videos is just me heading down to Idaho, doing this trip. I'm not planning it by all means, so I have no idea what we're doing. I'm just tagging along. But anyways, I'm gonna pack up and then I think I'm gonna head my way down towards Yakima and then try to find camp somewhere relatively around that area, maybe, and then slowly make my way down to Idaho. So I just left Yakima to go get gas, and then I think I'm gonna try and find some camp outside Pendleton. Alright, so this is the first spot. So this is, I don't know, maybe 30-45 minutes right outside of Pendleton. What I'm probably gonna do is back up a little bit so I can at least be somewhat level. I'm gonna make some food real quick and then go from there. think I might want to check out this little lake or pond that's like up there somewhere. What I kind of wanted to go through is this whole entire camera setup that's sitting in my front seat. So I store everything in this protective case. It's like a Pelican case. I got this from Nanook. Logo is like upside down, but this sits in the front seat towards me, so it's actually the other way around. That way I can open it up and grab whatever I need. The first thing I shoot on, mainly the drone, is the DJI Mavic Pro 3. This is the one with 3 cameras. if you guys are curious on what model this one is. So that sits there. The remote is actually down here. And then the main camera that I shoot on is a Sony a7 III. And it's hooked up to a Sigma 24 to 70 mil. And then I have a ND filter on it too. This is my main camera. And then this is my telephoto lens. It's the 70 to 200. This is the f4. The case comes with a slow strap, which is kind of nice. Helps secure everything down. These are my batteries for the camera. And then in here is all my small rig setup. So here's the handle. This is the monitor mount. This is the top handle that just sits right there. And then for the monitors, these are the batteries for it. Then on this side, I just have all my mics. So this is the DJI mic that hooks up into the camera, so it sits right here. And then I have another DJI mic. And then my main camera mic is right here. It just fits perfectly in this little pocket. And then this is the remote for the drone. And then the monitor, this one is from Portkeys. This just hooks up on the top mount. So this just hooks up on the top handle, so it looks like this. And then it sits on front of the camera. That's in front of this pouch that it just has. I just have like HDMI cables and chargers on stuff. And then this is the drone battery charger hub. And then in here is just like my cleaning stuff. So for the camera. So that's pretty much what I shoot on. So the A7 III or the A7 IV, and then the DJI Mavic Pro. And then what I'm shooting this one on is the Pocket. That's my whole entire setup. Honestly, you can, if you are ever curious on wanting to do stuff like this and film a bunch of things, your phone now does a pretty good job at capturing all this. If you have an iPhone, it shoots in Apple ProRes log, which I don't think you'll ever need to shoot in, but it's nice. I think Samsung also shoots in log as well. You can probably get started with just using your phone if you ever wanted to do stuff like this. That's cool. It looks like you can probably camp here. I think the plan for today is actually to head into Boise. I have to get some work done, so I think I'm gonna find a coffee shop to work out of, and then we'll go from there.